Welcome back to Origami videos. Let's make this origami heart envelope together. All you're gonna need is A4 format of paper, and we'll start by folding it on this line. So we'll bring this corner of paper up to this one. And now just make sure that both lines are aligned, and once you have them, press it down. In next step, I will turn my paper around and I will fold this line of the paper inwards. So as far as it goes, this right here will stop you, and just make sure that the bottom of the paper is aligned. Like this, and now we will open it, turn it around, and also open this part of the paper. In next step, we'll fold this line of the paper up to this line right here. Align them and press it down. And next we will open it and we'll fold this part of the paper in half, so just bring this line of the paper up to this line right here. And press it down. In next step, we will again open our paper, and now we'll fold our paper in half on this center line. Now we will open our paper and fold it in on this line. And now we'll turn it around and we'll fold this half of the paper upwards, so align this line of the paper with the middle line. And do the same thing on the other side. Next, we'll turn our paper around and we'll bring this point of the paper to this crease right here. And now just roll it. And once you have it, so that this midline is also aligned, press only the center of it downwards. And now turn your paper over, press it down in the middle. And now we'll open this pocket right here. So place your finger inwards and press the side of it downwards. And now make sure that this middle line of the paper is aligned with this bottom line. Like this. And the same on the other side. Press downwards and open the pocket. Align lines like this, and if I turn it around, our heart envelope is looking like this. Now again turn it around and bring these corners of the paper downwards, so align it with this middle line. Press it down and also bring this point of the paper downwards to this line. So just fold it in half and press it down. And then do the exact same thing on the other side. Bring the corner downwards. And bring this point of the paper also downwards. And press it down. Like this. Now we'll bring the sides of the paper inwards. So bring this line of paper inwards and align this diagonal line with this inner diagonal line. So bring inwards, align them, but also make sure that this bottom line of the paper is aligned. And once you have it, press it down and do the exact same thing on this left side. So bring it inwards, align this middle line of the paper, align the bottom line of the paper, and once you have it, press it down like this. And now all we need to do is fold our paper on this already existing line upwards. So lift it up and also lift this part of the paper upwards, tuck this part underneath it, press it down and close it. And now if you want, you can add a little bit of glue on these sides of the paper so that your envelope is closed. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in next one. Bye!